From simplifying management to simplifying ad management, Markopolo makes paid marketing so simple, anyone can set up and run an effective paid ads campaign for their small business. Please welcome Rita from Markopolo.
Hi everyone, I'm the CEO of Markopolo, where we have analytics replacement SaaS for B2C and B2C businesses globally. We have been cash flow positive since day one, and in the last 30 days, we have seen an astounding customer growth of 167%. And we have an amazing quarterly monthly retention rate of 93% with that. So, do you know 80% of micro businesses with half of their ad budgets of their ad spending overall? And Mimi is one of them. She is an e-commerce founder with less than 20 employees. Currently, she has not that much knowledge of running ads where customers are. So she has two options: either to go to an expensive agency, or she can do it by herself, where she has to learn hundreds of hours of learning in those platforms. So Mimi is not alone. In fact, globally, there are more than 77 million of micro businesses like Mimi. And of that, the market valuation is a staggering $129 million. So what's Markopolo? Markopolo is a complete paid marketing suite for micro businesses like Mimi. It serves her like a professional marketer would have done for her. And we currently automate ads in Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube. So our pricing starts from $23 per month. We have a SaaS business model, and the pricing goes up to $2,999 per month. So in 2021, our annual revenue rate was $166,000. And in the last 6 months alone, in 2022, we have more than doubled it up to $418,000. And we are aiming for $600,000 in September. So for B2C or B2C businesses with less than 50 employees, Markopolo is the highest score in terms of replacing agencies and getting the best performance metrics for their users. I'm Robert, I'm a secondary SaaS founder. I took an exit from my first one. My co-founder and CEO of the meeting will be available in this meeting because she's expecting. And she previously led a global AI SaaS startup to a $50 million valuation and took an exit. And we have Kabir, our outside engineer, with 5+ years of experience. So we are raising $1.1 million in funding. We have already commitment of more than 50% of that. And with that money, we will be getting $2 million in ARR within 12 months. So join us today and let's simplify marketing for more than 77 million of micro businesses like me. Thank you.